Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on vehicles. Right now, as you can see, I'm in an automobile workshop where they repair cars here, known as Jet Mover. So I'm going to take you inside the plant. Right now I'm inside the plant. I'll show you the car engine and some of the items on it, such as the radiator, alternator and the kickstarter. I'm going to explain it, so come on, follow me. Wow, this is an engine here. On this engine we have 4 spark plugs here. As you can see, this is the first coil, the second coil, the third coil, the fourth coil. So right now what I'm going to say about this engine is that it has 4 pistons, and this is the first piston. In other words, for you to get the first piston, you have to look at the engine, the place that it's out. This side is out. So this is the first plug, the second plug, the third plug, and the fourth plug, making it to have 4 pistons. And this side, this is where you put your engine oil. You can come closer. This, you can see, put your engine oil here. This is your alternator. This one is the one that charges the car battery. Without this, the car battery is going to run down. And we have some pulley here for the belt, fan belt and other belts. So the belts are connected here. This is the pulley, and the adjuster is usually mounted here. This one is the crankshaft pulley, and this one I think is the water pump. Pumps the water out from here. And this here, this is your power steering pump. This one circulates oil to the power steering, so the steering, so it will make the steering stiff while driving. The steering will be okay too, like it will be flexible, it won't be hard. Here we have the exhaust. As you can see, there's a hand drawn here which indicate that it's usually hot. So this is the oxygen sensor for the exhaust. This is your filter. Why this side gearbox? You can see how heavy it is. But this gearbox has no auxiliary. It's just a normal gearbox. And this is the propeller. This is where the propeller will be connected. The propeller works with the gearbox, connected to the flywheel. And that's how the vehicle gets motion and it moves. Why on this side? This bushing. This side here is. This is the manifold. This one is responsible for oxygen taking and out. The oxygen pass through here. So that the more you raise it, like this side, I think it's here. Yes. Bring the camera, please. The more you raise it, it opens, it sucks in oxygen. So if you open it, it sucks in oxygen, the car will raise the more. Like this. This is the injector. So this side is responsible for oxygen taking, and these are some of the sensors connected to the injector and the spark plug. Why all this side we have this for the oil gauge stuff, like it is not gauge. Look at it. I think this one means high, this one means low. That means right now there's no engine on inside. We have the engine seat, which the engine is mounted to, so that when the car is moving, the engine will not be shaking and it won't cause accident. So this is the engine seat. I think all here like this. This one is for water. The thermostat is located inside here. Water goes in from here. It also passes through here. The knock sensor is usually located at the side, like to avoid the engine from like getting knocked. Like it shows the signal on the dashboard before the vehicle, on the vehicle dashboard. Like the oil sensor is normally here too. Like if there's no oil in the vehicle, if you look at the vehicle dashboard, you are going to see it, and you know that it will indicate that there is no oil inside. The pin shaft and the camshaft sensor is usually located. There are a lot of sensors on a car engine. You can see oil sensor, temperature sensor. There are a lot of sensors which I can't mention. There are a whole lot of sensors on the car engine. A whole lot of sensors, and as time goes on, as an engineering student, one will get to know them more better. There's another engine here. I think this one is inside. It's somehow. I think this is all for now. As you can see, the manifold, the injector, and some other things. So I'm going to take you to inside the plant to show you some of the things.